Here's another challenge for you. This time I'm going to reveal a set of 4 and 4, 8, 12 images on your screen, and you need to memorize those 12 images in the order in which they are presented, and we call them forwards and backwards. 12 images. Now should be easy, but for most students they'll find it extremely difficult. Are you ready? Let's reset the clock. 12 images, you get 1 minute to memorize those images. Are you ready? Were you able to memorize the images? How many did you get correct? Make a note. Pause the video, take out your notebook and make a note of the images. Write down the description or words to represent the images that you saw on your screen. Now you should be able to do this in the sequence in which the images were presented, forward and backwards. Now make a note of it. Remember, you're setting up a benchmark so you can compare what you can do 30 days from now compared to what you were able to do at the beginning of the course. Now many students would struggle to memorize a simple feat like that, just 12 images. But at the end of this course, you'll be able to do challenges like that quickly and accurately and confidently, because you learn powerful techniques of making associations, pegging those concepts, those images, and recalling them accurately.